Hey guys, Jesse here from the Subi Sanctuary, and welcome to part 2 on the 22B restoration. I know right now the car looks fantastic, and that's because it's actually done. As we get into this video here, we're going to begin with the interior of the car, getting out all the aftermarket stuff and the not so nice OEM stuff to replace it with some OEM stuff and or some nice stuff in the bad stuff's place. Beyond the interior, we get into some light disassembly and see how far that takes us. With that being said, let's cut right to it. Yeah, look at this little thing I found under the seat. It's actually some sort of ProDrive emblem. $1,000 OBO. I know what I have. Now with the rear quarter covers off there, I just wanted to show you guys this. So these cars weren't exactly like a production line car. They're originally just a coupe, now with the 22B stuff on them. This is the original wheel well. And you can see someone's just cut it with some tin snips. And then this is the additional wheel well that's been added on to compensate for the width of the 22B. This is also factory sound deadening foam down there, because at the bottom of the quarter panel they do really take a beating. Then here we are over in the other side. And now back to disassembly. So now we have our optional STI pedals in place there. This guy, though it looks pretty cool, is actually incorrect. This is more of like a rally car type dead pedal. This is the actual STI dead pedal, so I imagine we're going to be able to remove this once we get the carpet out, and then we'll finish by putting this guy back in. Alright, now you can see what I was talking about with this dead pedal. It's just got some screws going in here, so we're going to go ahead and remove it. And behind there you can see the original extending bracket that would hold the OEM dead pedal. So it looks like after the removal of that aftermarket dead pedal, we're actually going to have a few more holes to deal with there. And then here would be our OEM dead pedal. So I'm going to wait till we get the carpet back in, then we'll put the pedal in after. Right, now with the majority of the interior out, I still know there's a lot of other things we actually have to remove and replace, but for now our objective is just to fill the holes in the floor, so we wanted all the carpet out. From here we're going to get the car back onto the hoist so that we can get the plates off from underneath. You can see the ProDrive logo, the STI logo under the wax, and then the Bilstein. Now, I just want to highlight this. This is up in the wheel well here. You can see the extension there. I just thought that was interesting. And there's another bit of the lip. Then moving in here, you can really see it. I'm not sure if I can get it well on the camera, but this would be the extension. Underneath is the original that we saw from the inside that goes to about there. And then this is the extension seam in there. Pretty neat. Cool to kind of dissect like this. So at this point here, as we move from the interior now to the exterior, starting to disassemble all of the moldings and the trims from the car, you're probably starting to wonder what is going on, but we will definitely get into that in the next video here. So we are going to completely detrim, disassemble the exterior of the body, because there is quite a variety of things that we want to rectify on this car. As we go through it piece by piece, I will be showcasing, highlighting all the flaws that we are trying to rectify on the exterior of the body. So this will all begin to make more sense to you as we work into the car through the next video. Then here I am working towards the end of some of the basic trims on the car, and before I move forward, I just want to fix something that was bugging me. So the molding had fallen back in. With age, they do shrink, and they can go back and let go of the adhesive on them that holds them to the window trim. So what I'm doing here is heating up the trim so that I can expand it back into its normal footprint, and then I am putting some glue back on it and gluing it back down to the trim there. And this actually turned out really, really good. I know there are replacement aftermarket seal kits for these quarter window trims. However, this car did not need it. It just needed it stuck back in place. All right, guys, we're going to end the video there. As you can see, at this present time, the car is actually done. The car will have been long gone from here by the time this video actually comes out. Made some really good gains in this one. And if you haven't, don't forget to like and subscribe. And until the next one, guys, happy Subaruing. Right here we just found this JDM candy under the carpet, and we're gonna finish unwrapping it. It looks like it was from a partial pack, but there's still one in there. And we're gonna split it and see if it has any effects on us. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
It's called Tsubo gum.
No way.
Yeah.
That's
pure JDM, man.
This is 22B fucking candy. It's even World Rally Blue on the outside.
Okay, so there's actually, there looks like there's 4 pieces of Tsubo gum left in here. So if you guys want to maybe put in an offer for the last 2 pieces, we are open. Yeah, there's 2 pieces left.
Oh, it's like brown. It looks...
That's probably normal. Yeah, it looks totally normal to me.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Oh, it's hard.
It tastes like glass. It's good and spicy now.
It's got a little bit of a kick to it, yeah. It almost was like, it wants to have a hint of
blueberry or something.
Yeah, some sort of fruit, but it tastes like
it's also spicy.
Spicy, yeah.
Yeah. Wow. So it says low T, and yeah, like I said, there's still 2 pieces left. If anyone wants official Japanese 22B gum, it's pretty something.
Yeah, it's soft now. It was very glassy at the beginning, like very hard. I thought I was gonna pierce into my tongue or something, but what if it's from 1998?
Yeah, could be
1998.
So yeah, get experienced.
Tomorrow you're gonna see us dead. Just